I see you were brought to court today. I don't necessarily know who is this?
My ex-husband.
Okay, so
Yes.
he brought you to court today, had you served.
Correct.
Have you talked to him?
I have not.
Interesting. Okay. Well, do you have any idea why he brought you here? I mean,
Yeah.
other than him saying he's wanting child support, that's all I know.
That's all I know as well. We actually share a child together. Her name is Michaela. She's 12.
Okay.
She walked into court confused, blindsided by papers she never saw coming. Her ex-husband had her served, but why she hasn't spoken to him? The only clue, their 12-year-old daughter, Michaela. Now she's facing a courtroom, unsure what battle she's about to fight. What does he really want, and why now?
Okay.
And she's back and forth between her father and myself. And he's just decided to bring me to court. Currently, I do everything for Michaela. We just came back from a trip to Mexico.
Okay.
I furnish Michaela's education, take her shopping, basically just doing what a mother's supposed to do at this point.
Right.
So I'm not understanding why he would waste our time and bring me to court just for this, when I'm
Okay.
doing for Michaela.
All right. And so do you all have any relationship at all?
We don't.
Okay.
She's the one paying for Michaela's school, vacations, clothes, everything. No calls, no conversation, no relationship. Yet here she is, dragged into court by a man who barely lifts a finger. She's doing what a mother should do. So why is he trying to paint her as the villain? The answer might not be about money at all.
Okay. Was there a recent disagreement or something? I mean, something triggered him to want to bring you to court and ask for child support, especially for a child that you all share.
Absolutely. And there was a situation where I had a friend, and he just did not like the fact that I had a friend and Michaela was around my friend.
Okay. So it's a guy friend.
It is. It
Okay.
is a guy friend, and he's just very vindictive at this point, and this really shows it. He didn't even show up.
Turns out, this wasn't about child support at all. The moment she introduced Michaela to a male friend, her ex snapped. Jealousy turned into courtroom revenge. But here's the twist. He didn't even show up. He weaponized the system, then ran. Is this really about their daughter, or just his pride?
Yeah, it's when people don't show up to court, it's weird for me because I have to stare at an empty chair, But what I am going to do is go ahead and dismiss this case. You will not be placed on child support today.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Do you understand what that means, by me dismissing?
I do understand that. However, I would like to know what are my next steps that I possibly could have.
The judge looked at the empty chair, then made the call. Case dismissed. No child support, no punishment. She could breathe finally, but her relief was short-lived. Because even though she won today, the system leaves the door wide open for another ambush, and she knows it might not be over.
Well, at this point, none. You're not being placed on child support. His
Okay.
case is being dismissed. If in the future, now he can refile and try to bring you back to court, and he can get you reserved, and hopefully he shows up. But other than that, nothing else is going to happen with your case. He has to go through the entire process again.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Do you have any other questions?
No questions at this time, Your Honor.
Okay. Well, if there's nothing further, you're dismissed.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
It's over for now. Her ex lost this round, but the judge warns he can come back. Refile, try again. This fight might return, and next time he might show up. But today, she walks away with her dignity. If you've ever faced unfair accusations, hit like, drop your story, and don't forget to subscribe. Justice doesn't end, here it starts with being heard.